Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let us learn about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Okay, so if theta is equal to 0 degrees, what will be sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cot 0, secant 0 and cosecant 0. Similarly, so for theta is equal to 30, what will be these values? For theta equal to 45, what will be these values? For theta equal to 60, for theta equal to 90, we are going to learn these trigonometric ratios. Okay, so if you put 0 here, this sine 0 will have some value. Okay, if you put theta, and this sine 30 will have some value. Okay, so let us learn them. Okay, so before going into the topic, let me do some calculations here. Okay, with that we'll proceed. Okay, so once consider sine theta by cos theta. Okay, sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? It is opposite side to theta, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Okay, by cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse and hypotenuse will get cancelled, so the answer will be opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Okay, so which is equal to, so we know if there is a ratio like this, that is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, we can write it as tan theta. Okay, so sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. Okay, remember this. I'm going to use this concept while doing this problem, this while filling this table. Okay, also once consider its reciprocal, that means cos theta by sin theta. Okay, okay, the reciprocal of this, that means we need to even reciprocal this tan theta, that is 1 by tan theta. But 1 by tan theta is nothing but cot theta. Okay, so cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. Okay, remember these two results, they are very important. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta, and cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. Okay, so now I'm going to write this table. Okay, so please remember only sine. Okay, if you know these values, sine values, you can write every each trigonometric ratio value. Okay, so if you put theta equal to 0, sine 0 will be 0. I'll tell you why it is 0. Okay, in the next video uh, I'll tell you why. If we put theta equal to 0, sine 0 becomes 0. Okay, uh, for now remember this value. Okay, sine 0 will be 0 and sine 30 will be, so if put theta equal to 30 here, that means if theta, this theta is 30 degrees, then sine 30 will be 1 by 2. Okay, so if theta is 45, then it will be 1 by root 2. Okay, so sine 45 will be 1 by root 2, and if theta is 60, then cos 60 will be root 3 by 2. Okay, and sine 90, so sine 90 will be 1. Okay, sine 90 will be 1. This is how you remember, please remember these values. Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you in the next video how these values have come. Okay, similarly now we need to find cos values. Okay, so if we put 0 here, cos 0 will take some value. Okay, so we know that cos and sine, so there is a relation between cos and sine, that is they are complementary trigonometric ratios. That means if we need cos 0, we need to see sin 0. Okay, we need to see sin 90, because cos theta is nothing but sine of 90 minus theta. Okay, so if you put theta equal to 0, then cos 0 degrees is equal to sin 90 minus 0. Sin 90 minus 0 is nothing but sin 90. So we know the sin 90 value. Sin 90 is nothing but 1. Okay, so cos 0 will take value 1. Okay, so similarly cos 30, if we put 30 here, then it will be sin 90 minus 30. Sin 90 minus 30 is nothing but sin 60. So if we need cos 30 value, you need to see sin 60. So sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Okay, so it is root 3 by 2. For cos 30 degrees, it is root 3 by 2. So if you need cos 45, so if we put theta equal to 45 here, theta equal to 45, then we need to put here 45. Okay, then cos 45 will be sin of 90 minus 45. So sin 90 minus 45 is nothing but 45. So we need to see sin 45 again. Sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. So it will be 1 by root 2. Okay, cos 45 will be 1 by root 2. Now put theta equal to 60. So we need cos 60 value. Cos 60 degrees is equal to, so put here 60. Sin of 90 minus 60. Sin 90 minus 60 is nothing but sin 30. So if we need cos 60 degrees value, we need to check sin 30. So it is 1 by 2. So cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 90, check for cos 90. So if we need cos 90 here, put 90 here. So cos 90 is nothing but sin 90 minus 90. 90 minus 90 is nothing but 0. So if we need cos 90, we need to check sin 0. The value of sin 0 is 0. Okay, now we need to calculate these tan values. So I already told you, tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So we need, if we want this tan theta, we need to take the ratio of sin and cos. Okay, so if we need tan 0 degrees, put here 0, sin 0 by cos 0. So the ratio of this will become tan 0. Okay, so 0 by 1. So 0 by any quantity, 0 by any number, it is always equal to 0. Remember this. Okay, 0 by any number, it will always be 0. So sin 0 is 0, 0 by 1 is 0. Okay, now we need to check this value. We need tan 30, right? So tan 30 is nothing but sin 30 by cos 30. So it is, see here I'm writing here, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Okay, so 2 gets cancelled and the answer will be 1 by root 3. Okay, so tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Okay, next we need to write tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 is nothing but sin 45 by cos 45. So it will be 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Because they are same quantities, the ratio becomes 1. Okay, now check here. Tan 60. Tan 60 is nothing but the ratio of sin 60 and cos 60. So it will be, so I'm writing here, it is root 3 by 2. It is sin 60 by cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and answer will be root 3. Okay, it is root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. Okay, next tan 90. Tan 90 is nothing but ratio of sin 90 and cos 90. So remember this, any quantity, any number by 0 is undefined. Okay, any number by 0 is undefined. So I am writing here it is undefined. Okay, understood? Now we are going to write this cot theta. Okay, we are going to fill this now. So we know the relation between tan and cot. So tan and cot are reciprocal to each other and also complementary to each other. Okay, we can use any of the concept. Okay, so I am going to use this complementary concept here. So we need cot 0 degrees. So cot 0 is nothing but tan 90. So what is the value of tan 90? Tan 90 is undefined. So cot 0 will be undefined. Okay, next we need cot 30 degrees. So cot 30 degrees is nothing but tan 60. So it will be root 3. Okay, similarly cot 45. So if we want cot 45, we need tan 45. so it will be again 1. We need cot 60 here, so cot 60 is nothing but tan 30, so it will be 1 by root 3. Okay, and finally cot 90. Cot 90 is nothing but tan 0, so tan 0 is 0. Okay, so this is how we are going to fill. And finally secant theta, we are going to fill this now. Okay, secant 0, we know secant theta and cos theta are reciprocal to each other. Okay, so if we know cos values, we need to reciprocal these values to get secant value. Okay, so secant 0 is nothing but 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, the reciprocal of this becomes again 1. Okay, next we need to find secant 30, so it is the reciprocal of cos 30, so reciprocal of root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. So reciprocal is nothing but we need to interchange the denominator and numerator. Okay, remember that. So again we need to reciprocal here, cos 45, it will be 1 by root 2, so we need to find secant 45, so it will be root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 is nothing but root 2. Okay, so if we need to find secant 60, it is the reciprocal of cos 60, which is 1 by 2, so we need to reciprocal this, so it is 2. 2 by 1, it is nothing but 2. Okay, so secant 90, so secant 90 is the reciprocal of cos 90, so cos 90 is 0, so I am writing here 0 by 1. Okay, 0 by 1 is also 0. Now we need to reciprocal this, so if we reciprocal this, it will be 1 by 0. I already told you any number by 0 is nothing but undefined, so even this will be undefined. Okay, now cosecant. So coming to cosecant 0, we need to check whether we have any relation with other trigonometric ratios or not. Yes, we have cosecant and sine, so they are reciprocal to each other. Okay, so if we need to find cosecant 0, we need to reciprocal sine 0. Okay, because cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Okay, so we need to reciprocal this, so reciprocal this of this becomes 1 by 0, so any number by 0 is undefined, so even cosecant 0 is undefined. Okay, next cosecant 30, we need to reciprocal this, that is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Okay, next cosecant 45. Cosecant 45 is nothing but reciprocal of sine 45, so it will be root 2 by 1, nothing but root 2. Okay, next cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 is nothing but reciprocal of sine 60, so we need to reciprocal this, so it will be 2 by root 3. Okay, next cosecant 90, so we need to reciprocal this, so reciprocal of 1 is again 1. Okay, I hope you all understood this video. Don't worry, I will tell you how this has come here. Okay, in the next video I will be telling you how this sine 0 becomes 0 and these all values I will be telling you. Don't worry. Okay, thank you.